Hello everyone, this is second lesson. I hope you can understand me easily. Before creating layers, let's talk about the layers one by one. But before that, it would be useful to talk a little about what n layer is and why it is used. The n-layer architecture principle is of great importance, especially for writing clean and maintainable code. I will screenshot program. Okay, change color is choose black. When the project is divided into layers, it provides us with the following convenience. N-layer architecture provides what provides 1. Project management becomes easier. Project management becomes easier. 2. Error management becomes easier. 3. Working in a team becomes easier. Working in a team. 4. Everyone works in the area under their own responsibility. Everyone works in the area under their own responsibility. And 5. Radical changes that will occur in the long term, such as changing the ORM, so object relational mapping or database, can be easily made with a small touch. Radical changes are easier. That's enough. Okay. Since each layer will only perform its own role here, solid principles are not violated. Thus, concepts such as clean code, maintainable code, updatable code, modifiable code are preserved. This is very important, such as clean code, maintainable code, updatable code, modifiable code are preserved. There are 4 basic layers in the n-layer architecture. What is layers? 4 basic layers. What is basic layers? 1. Entity layer. 4. Data access layer. 3. Business layer. And 4. Presentation layer, or web UI mean user interface. Okay, user interface. I will explain each of these layers one by one. But first, let's just talk about the first layer we will create. Control S. The name of our first layer will be the entity layer. This layer will hold our entities. Entities are the classes we will create in C#. These classes will turn into tables on SQL with code first. Code first will provide us with put the classes we created on the C# side into tabs. It will convert the properties within the classes into columns. Okay, so let's create our layer first. Opening solution, Explorer solution Foody. On the right click, add new project, search for templates, write class library, choose and Foody dot entity layer library. Next, choose .NET 6.0 create. Okay. Delete this class. class. We will develop everything in accordance with the folder structure as much as possible. That's why we won't add our classes directly into the layers. Instead, we will prepare everything in folders. The name of the folder where we will keep our classes will be concrete. If we create interfaces, we will store them in the folder named abstract. Good. Now we can right click on our layer and create our folder. Right click, add new folder. Our folder name is concrete. Okay. Now that our folder is ready, we can create our entities. First, we need the category entity. Right click, add new class. Our class name is category. Category is entity class. Let's prepare our properties in the category class. Use three properties. One of these will be the ID, one will be the category name, and one will be the category status. Internal change to public. I will explain why change to public. Prop top public integer category ID. Category ID will be kept as integer. Please pay attention here. When creating an ID, the ID name must be synchronous with the class name. So if the name of the class is category, the ID value of the category should be category ID. If the name of the class is product, the ID value of the product should be product ID. In other words, the word ID should be added to the end of the class name. And prop, other props, public string, category name, and prop, public bool, category status. Okay, that's enough. We will continue from here in the next lesson. I hope you can understand me easily. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. See you next lesson.